Hey everybody, it's Waxed by Nicole. So here we are doing a brow wax. Every brow wax starts off with a shampoo and gentle exfoliant. This just allows me to start with a clean surface. This been gently exfoliated and doesn't have a ton of dead skin cells, so I'll have the most clean and precise wax possible for my client. Here I am drying the shampoo off and wiping it off and doing a light brow mapping. This client has not had a brow wax in a while, so I want to make sure I did not go too far into her hairline when doing her brows because she does have a low hairline. We discussed about the lowness of the hairline and going into it, she was okay with it. Just to clean up the lining, I went and did a reverse strip so that I could get those little fine hairs and get the cleanest outline of her brows. We're then going to go underneath and wax that and clean that up. And we're not really shaping her eyebrows. If anything, we're just enhancing the natural shape of her brows. We're not going in with a crazy arch or anything like that. We're just enhancing the shape of her natural brow and really focused on giving her a little bit more forehead space. But here we are detailing that tail and just giving a nice, natural look to her brows. Here we are finishing up the other brow. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. We don't want them to be cousins either. We're going to go in and do a little bit more grooming, but the shears, just trim them up because our eyebrows grow long as well, which can distort the shaping of the actual wax. So I'm going in, brushing the hairs up and down, making sure that they are trimmed nicely and groomed nicely. Doing the same thing on the other side, and then I'm going to come in behind that and hit it with the tweezers. Sorry that I'm congested, y'all, baby. I live in the South, and the pollen is pollinating. I don't even know if that's a word, but my allergies are definitely getting the best of me. So here we are, just doing a little bit more detail work right before. Yep, here we are doing a little detail work with our tweezers, just going in and getting it again as soft and natural as physically possible. Add a little after balm and we're good to go. All smiles.